What's going on, guys? Gabe with Review Dork, and in today's video, I'm going to give you a tip on how to trade in red days. Now, let's look at advances and decline distribution. Here at Webull, we have 5,874 decliners, 904 advancers. This means you only have a 15% chance of landing on a green equity today. You got better chances playing blackjack, guys. It is red. It is line up the vampires around your wife's used tampon red. But here we go. We're looking at a screener from Webull. We're looking at top gainers. We click the daily tab and we see, oh, we got 75% runners. We got Odessa. We got Zevo Bioscience. Holy crap. We could have made some money. Not as a beginner. Skilled traders who understand how to read charts? Absolutely. You want to play this? Go ahead and play it. Could have made a lot of money today. However, these are essentially small caps or penny stocks. Look at the market caps. I mean, you have individuals who are worth more than some of these companies combined. With that being said, you want to do something different on a red day. On a red day, it's a day for research. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do that. So what I do is I go to FinViz. Keep in mind, guys, FinViz is absolutely free. And this is a stock screener. This is my preset for red days. I like market caps over 10 billion. Why? Because it's going to introduce me to companies that are stable. Next up, I want to trade equities under $50. Why? Because the psychological threshold seems to be $50, especially when you're considering day traders who are in this to make money, not necessarily buy and hold. So with that being said, you're going to find a lot of day traders sticking in this range up to $50. That's where the volume and the volatility is at. Next up, the simple moving average. Now, I want the equities to be above the 200 SMA. That tells us that over time, the stock has performed in an uptrend. You could go ahead and play with your 50-day SMA or 20-day SMA, but that's going to narrow your results. I tend to play with the 200-day. It gives me just that historical trend, and that's something I like. Next up, volume over 20 million. I need to know that when I enter a trade, I can get in and I can get out. That is the purpose of volume. So what do we have? Well, we got returns in names that you guys are fairly familiar with. We have AMC Entertainment, Cleveland Cliffs, Energy Transfer, Ford Motor Company, Lucid Group, Nokia, and Palantir Technologies. These are all names that you've heard at one point or another, and you've probably stumbled across their chart. But what I like here is we're seeing a red day. We are seeing discounts, guys. 11% on AMC, 10% on Cleveland Cliffs. Ford is down nearly 7%, and Ford's a blue chip. What's this telling me? This is telling me that these are stocks that I want to put on my watch list because these are incredible deals. I say that because historically over time, the Dow, the NASDAQ, and the S&P 500 have continued an upward trend. And on red days like this, you can make money on the bargain. Also understand that the market operates in waves. What goes up must come down. What goes down must come up. And this is where support and resistance comes into play. Now, if you don't know how to plot support and resistance, I have a video for you in this playlist. Make sure you go check it out. I would then click the charts tab here and it gives you a visual on the performance. So we could see that Lucid is playing in a channel, almost consolidating. What does that mean? Well, it means that it could make a move to the upside when the market stabilizes. We also have Nokia. We could see that it's respecting the trend line here. We have ET essentially doing the same. On red days, you do not have to force your hand. You do not have to risk your portfolio and take unnecessary risks. You can go ahead and create a watch list of equities that are at bargain prices, and you could then go ahead and plot your support and resistance and then follow it over a few days. Also, go back to whatever brokerage you're using and gauge sentiment in the market. Currently, bears are in control. And that's pretty much it, guys. On red days like this, you scan, you research, you find companies you like, go ahead and get a backstory, see if they got some, products or technology or something that, resonates with you. But these over the long term would be your cash cows. And most importantly, we do not have to risk our money when there's no need to risk our money. This is Gabe. I'm signing out. I hope you learned something. Make sure you check out this playlist because it all sort of kind of adds up to this very moment. If you don't believe me, just go ahead and check out those videos. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. Peace.